Hi, I'm Rob. I'm really passionate about art and health, all things to do with health, getting out into nature and that sort of thing. And this is absolutely brilliant. Today I came back from my early morning bike ride. I always go out about 6 o'clock just for 15 minutes and experience the dawn. This morning I always slow down in Castle Park up here in Lancaster when I go through the trees and just listen to the birds. It's magnificent, and I always say good morning, good morning. I know I'm a bit mad. So I was feeling great when I got back this morning, and I opened this message, this leaflet from this link from Chris Lindsay. Now Chris Lindsay is a health coach who lives in Edinburgh in Scotland, and he sent me this link, and it's now absolutely official that doctors in the Shetland Islands are prescribing nature. Let me just read you this. It's fantastic. This is an actual prescription. Draw a snowdrop. This is stuff that I've been doing for years, and it's now official. I love it. Number 2, follow the course of a burn. A burn is in Scotland is a little stream. It's a stream. Okay, you wouldn't know that if you weren't Scottish. Scot. Number 3, buy a notebook and write to yourself. Sketch or jot down your thoughts and your feelings, adding insights about nature as you go. This is what I do all the time. I love this. Look for tracks and signs of animals whilst you're out. If you live near the beach, beachcomb for shells. Record your beach cleanup and draw 2 of the shells that you find. When you get home, make a bird bath. An upside down dustbin lid will do. This is for February. This is the prescriptions for February. This is just, it's brilliant. I love it. Thank you, Chris, by the way. I've done a bit of research into this since I received this, and apparently this trend, this idea, started in California in about 2008, and Dr. Daphne Miller wrote some really interesting things about it. She pioneered this idea of prescribing nature, and she said that she found that by formalizing it, by writing a prescription, up to 80% of the patients who got the prescription actually carried this out. They actually went through with it, and most of them stuck with it afterwards as well. Something about formalizing it, writing it down. So doctors are prescribing nature. People find it apparently people find it easier than joining a gym. You don't have to buy fancy. I'm dead against gyms. You don't need to join a gym. You can get all the exercise that you need literally by walking out the door. You join a gym, what do? It costs you a fortune every month. It takes you, you've got to think about it, get into your car more than likely, or go for a long walk to get to the gym, get changed, do your exercise, get changed, maybe have a shower, get changed, come home again, or go to work, whatever you're doing. You could, in that time it takes to do that, you could have walked 10 miles probably, or gone for a really good bike ride. I do 15 minutes every morning, and it keeps me trim, And the whole idea of prescribing a prescription for nature and for getting out into nature is it shifts the focus from illness to wellness. And that's what was she called? Dr. Daphne Miller. That's what she found that made it work so well. So, if you're interested in ways to defer these terrible, or to completely eradicate the idea of getting old and worn out and getting one of these horrible non-infectious diseases like Alzheimer's, what else? Heart disease, diabetes, obesity, anything to do with obesity. If you're thinking about ways to improve your life and feel better, then I've got some really interesting things going on in my little Facebook community, which is called The Hive. Look it up and do join us, because all we're doing is sharing good ideas. And there are things to do with art and things to do with being healthy, and they really are related. I'll talk about that on another occasion. Anyway, have a great day. I've had the best day ever so far. I've just enjoyed it so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.